Hey, this is MJ and this is the first episode of today's craving. For today, it's pork steak. Mag-marinate muna tayo. Soy sauce, calamansi, brown sugar, optional, oyster sauce, at madaming paminta. Mix. Halu-haluin ng mabuti. Make sure na tunaw na yung asukal bago ilagay ang pork. 1 kilo yung ginamit kong pork dito. Liempo na yung ginamit ko para mas madaling lutuin. Okay, make sure na well coated lahat. Bali-balik ta rin. And tap. Massage a little bit. Tapos takpan. Marinate for an hour. For best result, overnight marinate. Okay, after 1 hour, 24 hours, seared the meat, yung may toasty part na siya. Make sure it's toasted like this one. It's browned na. That's not burnt, it's flavor. Okay. Try nyo muna. Ayan, second batch. Pag ganyan naka-brown, pwede na yan. Okay, in a pan. Mag-gisa. Sibuyas. Pag translucent na, ilagay ang garlic. Nag-add lang ako ng oil kasi konti na lang yung oil kanina. Huwag mong tanggalin yung mga sunog-sunog dyan, flavor yan. Okay, pag okay na, ibalik ang pork. Lagyan ng tubig. Make sure na naka-low heat na yan. Pagkatapos ng tubig, ilagay ang pinagmarinatan. Make sure they're all covered. Put it on low heat and boil it for like an hour. Ako binoil ko siya ng 45 minutes maybe. Open, check nyo kung malambot na. And pag malambot na, ilagay ang onion and let it sit for 2 minutes. Then it's ready to serve. Ayan na ang pork steak ni Ate Princess. Thank you for watching the first episode of today's cravings. Next time, I will message someone again. Kung kayang lutuin, lulutuin. At kung hindi, bibilhin. Thank you for watching this video. Bye!